Are you a guide for more people focus on cleaner homes and healthier living environments? The demand for efficient and versatile vacuum cleaners continues to surge. Whether you're a pet owner, allergy sufferer, or just love spotless floors, a reliable vacuum is essential. In this guide, we evaluate the best vacuum cleaners based on suction power, filtration, HEPA, maneuverability, build quality, and overall value for money.
Let's dive into the top 5 picks worth your attention.
Lift number: Shark NV752 Rotator, powered lift-away true pet upright vacuum. A favorite among pet owners, the Shark NV752 TruePet delivers exceptional cleaning with its powered lift-away feature, allowing you to reach under furniture and tight corners with ease. The HEPA filtration system and anti-allergen complete seal technology make it a strong ally against allergens. It includes a motorized pet brush and large dust cup, ideal for deep carpet cleaning and heavy-duty usage. Swivel steering enhances mobility, while the LED lights help illuminate debris in darker spaces. With its durable build and strong suction, it's perfect for those who want premium performance and a toolset tailored for homes with pets.
List number: Shark NV352
Navigator lift-away upright vacuum. The Shark NV352 Navigator offers a great balance between performance and affordability.
It comes with HEPA filtration and anti-allergen technology, capturing 99.9% of dust and allergens.
The lift-away feature makes it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight and agile, its swivel steering allows for effortless navigation around furniture.
While it lacks some of the premium features of higher-end models, it still delivers powerful suction and solid durability at a competitive price. It's a reliable choice for users who need a no-nonsense vacuum for everyday cleaning.
List 3. Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. The Bissell 2252 CleanView is a budget-friendly powerhouse, especially for homes with pets. Its triple-action brush roll loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair, while the scatter-free technology makes it effective on hard floors. With swivel steering,
it navigates effortlessly, and
the multi-cyclonic suction system ensures no loss of suction. The large capacity, easy empty dirt tank adds convenience, and the washable filters help reduce maintenance costs. It may not have HEPA filtration, but for its price, it's a top-tier performer with great pet hair pickup capabilities. List number: Bed vacuum cleaner with dust sensor, UV and ultrasonic, high heating. If you're serious about eliminating dust mites and allergens from mattresses and bedding, this specialized bed vacuum cleaner is your weapon of choice. Equipped with a UV light, ultrasonic technology, and high heating, it deeply sanitizes and removes microscopic particles that conventional vacuums miss. The built-in dust sensor adjusts suction based on detected debris,
offering both intelligent cleaning and energy efficiency. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle and store.
A must-have for allergy sufferers, this model is purpose-built for hygiene-focused users. List number: Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Reach Full-Size Vacuum Cleaner. Built with pet owners in mind, the Bissell CleanView Pet Reach combines full-size cleaning power with easy maneuverability. It features a quick-release wand for extended reach, allowing you to clean above-floor areas easily. The swivel steering and edge-to-edge cleaning design ensure thorough performance across surfaces. Powerful suction, a multi-surface brush roll, and specialized pet tools make it highly effective at picking up stubborn fur and dander. It's also designed with tangle-free technology to reduce hair wrap around the brush, an excellent value option for those with pets.